What's up everybody, welcome back to my laboratory where safety is number one priority, and for today we're going to do 10 more kitchen gadgets I found on Amazon. Let's see what I got. I got it here, avocado peeler. Let's see if it works. So grab a knife and cut avocado in half, then twist it, take the peel out, done. And now this avocado peeler makes it super easy to cut it. You push it all the way through and it's a perfect shape. Mold it together and then just twist it. That's it. I'll get a plate. Boom, we got it here, avocado. Super easy. One more time, now that I know how to do it and show you how to do it, going to do fast. Grab it, boom, take it out. Amazing. Ready to go, chopped up. Love it. Portable sealing machine that will work with any jar. So got it here, a jar, that one too big, so 1 liter jar. Let's see how this works. Lock it in and press it. It says more than 20 seconds is going to be fine. Okay, now let's remove it. Oh wow, it actually sealed it. That is so cool. What? That was awesome. So as you can see, it seals it and then we can put a lid on top of it. That is super cool. So you could use this as like a storage container and get all the air out. This is a vintage design for wine bottle opener. As you can see, it has been kind of like replicated, remade. That is cool. So let's see how this works. There's a knob here and spinning knob right here. Also this is spins as well. No problem. Spins all the way through. I don't want to break the cork. Okay, all the way through. And then we're going to twist this knob, and as you can see, it's twisting the knob and pulling the cork out. That is so cool. Super easy. Boom, and the bottle is open, and then just pull this out and untwist it. One thing I would say, if they would redesign it again and then make it again, that's kind of poor quality. It breaks the cork because the corkscrew is cheap, it's too thick. It should be much thinner corkscrew in my opinion, so that way it doesn't break the cork. Keep food fresher longer. Let's see what this gadget is all about. This is super unique. It says on it, no matter how much you have left. And as you can see, it's for snacks mainly. You don't want to put powder in here because if you put some kind of powder in here, it works like a suction cup. The powder will go inside here and blow through here. So it is not made for flour and things like that. Seal it or seal it. There is still a lot of air, or sometimes we don't seal it all the way. Still a lot of air in there, so it kind of makes sense. It's exposed to air and it's going to not last as long. Look at it. It's all kind of stuck together inside here. What we do is this lid will condense it and take all the air out and keeps it fresh longer. At least that's what they claim to do. Beautiful. You want to remove it? Pull it out, have some snacks, push it back in. I like it. Very beautiful, and it sits nice in. You can put it on the counter, that way you don't have a plastic bag. Actually looks good on the counter. People can open it up, put it on a little plate for snack and plug it back in. I done this before, air presser, but they have made new one, Go Plus. So I think they did couple upgrades in them. I love this thing. This is one of the best way to make coffee. So it's on the go. You have right here a mug. You can bring it with you. Beautiful. There's a lid. Okay, let's see how this works. We need one of this. Put it in a little Ziploc afterwards. That's what I would recommend to do. I wish they would put it in a Ziploc bag as well. And then we're gonna stick it in here. And then we need a scoop of coffee. Depends how strong your coffee you like to have. Maybe I should read the instructions once in a while. So much easier is to plug it in right here, put the filter in and lock it up. Then get yourself a spoon, scoop, and put it in there. And then it will go in here once we add on water, and there's how many cups you want to have. The only difference with this thing is a to-go mug, which you could use any to-go mugs as long as they fit. But yeah. Let's do it. Let's do a big cup of coffee. I'll put a lot of coffee in there. So let's do 4. What we do, air press it. We get this pumped in and just kind of pull it slowly, no rush, push it through. That coffee is weird. For some reason this coffee floats. And boom, wow, at the end there's a little bit of steam. Beautiful, I like it. And let's pour it some into here to see if we have any granules go through. Nothing, no granules at all. I don't see any granules. Beautiful. So then drink your coffee and put this stuff away. You see? There's a little block of coffee. Yeah, hot! I got it here, very neat grilled cheese maker, or you can actually make anything in it. You can put like apple sauce in it, you can put grilled cheese in it, whatever. Also can bring it camping. Let's see if it's big enough. Kinda big enough, kinda not. Let's start. Then we put some cheese in there, and we can add on quite a bit of cheese, as you can see. And then seal it. Boom. Take off extra bread piece. Then we're going to put it on the oven, on the grill, whatever you have, and we're going to open it and check on it. Okay, I hear it sizzling, probably the butter, so I'm going to flip it over. Okay, let's check, see how it's doing. Oh yeah, I think this is done. Maybe a little bit on the other side, and we're done. Okay, let's see how it did. Whoops, almost missed it. Okay, isn't it look beautiful? And again, you can put applesauce in there, some kind of jam, and fry it up. Boom, look at that, full of cheese. Wow, that is beautiful. Oh wow, that looks actually way better than I expected. Ooh, look at the cheese pool. Yeah, amazing, really cool gadget. You're boiling pasta or cooking food, your sink full of dishes, you're not gonna hold it and pull the pasta out heavy, spill everything. There's a gadget for it. You just pour it into a bowl, first water, and it will spill it to the side. And then once it pours it all out, you just put pasta in there as well. Ooh, steamy. And then see, wow, it's a big pot of pasta. It's pours everything out, and I don't have to put the strainer inside the sink like conventional strainer. Very nice and safely. Didn't burn myself. Then I could even shake it up, lift it to the side, pull all the water out. That is cool. All done. And I don't have to worry about having a strainer or dropping anything. That is amazing. So here's an egg holder with a timer, soft, medium, hard. Let's see if it actually works. We're gonna take one egg at a time once it reaches that point. Okay, it's starting to change. Water is not boiling yet, but look, it's not even soft yet. There's lines and very visible. That's nice. Okay, we're on medium. I'm gonna take 1 or 2 eggs out. Okay, this is a medium hard-boiled egg. Yeah, a bit softer than I would like, but you know, that's pretty good. I like it. Just turned white, it should be hard-boiled. Okay, this one's supposed to be hard-boiled. Let's cut it in half, just real quick to see what it looks like. I would say this is actually perfect hard-boiled eggs, because any more it kind of turns into like very sandy egg. So this is perfect. Okay, and when it cools off, it will turn back to red. Microwave Panini sandwich maker. I will just make it simple. Grilled cheese. Put a little butter over here just for the flavor. I'm pretty sure this is non-stick, but you know what I mean. Butter makes taste the bread better. Okay. Very simple one. Then piece of bread fits really well with this one. The cheese will spread, so I'm gonna put it in the middle and then stick another piece, and then simply just cover it back over. There's a vent hole here, a vent hole here. Look, you can even grill a steak in it in the microwave. That's cool, for 5 minutes. Wow, so 700 watt is 5 minutes. So if you have 1000 watts, probably faster. In it goes, 5 minutes. All right, let's see how hot it's going to be. Ooh, ow, it is very hot. Maybe I had 1,000 watt. I don't know. I thought I had 700. Should have done it for like 3 minutes. Well, I didn't just burn the food. Looks like the whole plastic burned a little bit too. Make sure you don't overcook it. It is definitely crispy, which is if you microwave bread in a microwave, it gets soggy. So it definitely works. Just don't put it for 5 minutes on 1,000 watt microwave. Spatula, fork, grabber for grilling, whatever you want to call it. Grab multiple hot dogs. Look at that, up to 4 hot dogs, no problem. Let it all out. Let's see if I can fork one. Oh yeah, it definitely works. Oh, that's a cool part is whenever I fork one and then push this, it will drop it out. That is awesome. Okay, time to flip the hot dog. Very nice. Okay, maybe upside down fork like this. Flip it over, kick it out. Okay, I'm learning how to use it. Fork it, flip it over, kick it out. Okay, not bad. Okay, I'm pretty happy with that. It looks like it's cooked all the way. Okay, let's see if I can grab it, lift it. Grab it, release it. This is hilarious. Could grab them all at once or like this. What do you guys think? Weird? Useful? Let me know. Well guys, that's pretty much it. Let me know in comments below what do you think. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, subscribe if you haven't already.